Hello, I'm Ohio Governor Mike DeWine. For the latest information on coronavirus, please go to coronavirus.ohio.gov. Or if you have questions, call 1-833-4-ASK-ODH.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Acton, Director of the Ohio Department of Health. To prevent coronavirus spread, simple things make a difference. Wash your hands frequently, often. Do cough or sneeze into your sleeve. Don't touch your face, and do stay home if you're sick.
Tonight's contestants represent towns across Ohio, like Arlington, Columbus, and Macedonia.
But they're all headed to one destination, the Cash Explosion Spotlight.
David, ready to get the winning started?
Yes.
Let's
Hold
do
on.
it.
Yes, now I'm ready.
Let's go with Barbara coming up to the spotlight.
I'm mentally prepared because of all the excitement.
All right, Barbara, ready to win big money?
Yeah.
Let's see you do it. 2, 3, and 8. Got those numbers locked in. What's behind 2?
Big money.
I got the big money indeed. Turning back
start.
here. Touch a letter in spotlight. We are doubling what you find behind L. $5,000 becomes $10,000. Wow.
Wow. Wow. I'm just thinking this is going to be tough to beat already. What's
Right.
behind the 3? $2,000.
And what's behind 8? $2,700, Barbara. That's $14,700. Congratulations, you can go over to our
Not
leader zone.
guaranteed, but you may want to get comfortable over there for a while. That is a big total.
That was an amazing start to the game. Next up is Jim. Coming up to the spotlight, Jim. All right, Jim. Let's pick your 3 lucky numbers. 7, 11, 13. All right. 7, 11, and 13. What's
Big
behind
money.
7?
Big money.
$3,200.
All right, let's go. Big money.
And behind the 11, you want
Need a
something
double.
big?
Need a double. Need a double.
$2,000.
All right.
Need a
With big
double.
money behind 13, what's there? $3,300. Well, Jim, that's $8,500. Here, go over to our leader zone.
You ever just sit around and think, like, what's it like to win this much money?
Oh, that's amazing.
I know. We got more of it coming up after this. Don't go away. I'm going to think about it right now, actually. Oh, it's nice.
Welcome back to Cash Explosion. Next up to win the lottery is Ann.
Can I do a shout out?
Yes, you can do a shout out.
Hi, Evelyn. I love you.
Are you sharing your money with Evelyn?
No.
Oh, no. You don't love you that much.
You get her love, and that's it. Just her love, not her money.
All right, Ann, let's pick your 3 lucky numbers. 1, 13, and 8. All right, $8,600 will put you in our leader zone.
Okay.
What's behind 1? $3,300.
Okay, and behind the 13, what's there?
Oh my gosh! I'm sorry.
And what are you apologizing for? Getting excited over the fact that you're going to win at least $10,000 right now?
You can win $50,000 right now. Right now.
And 16 of the top Ohio lottery games up here. Pick one of them.
My
Give you the money that's
favorite,
behind
rolling
it.
cash.
Rolling cash. All right. What's behind rolling cash? 4, $6,000, $8,000, $10,000.
$10,000.
What are you gonna do with $10,000, Ann?
Oh, I just gotta look at it for a while.
Set it up on the shelf and stare at it.
Just stare at it.
I kind of understand that. That makes total sense to me. We're gonna move the $10,000 over to the big board, and then we're gonna find out what else is behind the 13.
Okay.
$2,500.
Nice. And what's behind 8? $2,900, and that's enough to put you in the second spot in our leaderboard. Take a look here, $18,700. Congratulations. And next up, it's Barb. You are here, ready to win lots of money. All right, let's see you do it. 4, 10, 15, and 15. All right. All right, Barb, let's see how you start your game. What's behind 4? A double! All right, Barb, turn it back here. Touch a letter in Spotlight. We are gonna double whatever you find. Going with the I. A little advice from the audience there. What are we doubling for Barb? Behind I. $2,500 becomes $5,000.
And behind the 10, what's there? $2,900.
All right. And finally, what's behind 15? $2,400. Barb that moves you to the second spot on our leaderboard with $10,300. Congratulations.
All right, head on over to the leader zone. I love when we start off the game and all 4 contestants get to sit in the leader
It's
zone.
been
That's what
exciting
happens.
so far.
Can we get all 8 over there?
Let's try it.
I know those 2 don't want that to happen. We'll find out after this. Don't go away. Welcome back to Cash Explosion. We're halfway through the game, so let's keep it rolling. Henry, come on up.
Hi, Henry.
Hey, Henry. How you doing? All right. So there's the board. Big, big money hidden on this board. You already know what 3 numbers you're gonna pick?
Yeah.
You do? Do they mean anything to you?
No.
Nope, just 3 numbers. All right, let's see what they are right now. 4, 6, 14. Lock them in. Those numbers mean nothing. You just feel they're lucky. Let's find out how lucky. What's behind the 4? Henry, you start off with $2,000.
And what's behind 6? $3,000.
It's going up. And what's behind the 14?
More than that.
You do need more than that. Bonus! Just say you need more than that. The board, listen. Over here's the bonus board. 15 games left up there. Pick one of those, and you win what's behind it.
I'm gonna go with the Mega Millions.
The Mega Million. All right. What's behind Mega Millions? Here we go. Looking for big, big money. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, $10,000. $10,000. Are you trying to get out of here? You don't want to get out of here yet, because we still have more money for you. I thought you were trying to leave. So $10,000, just like that.
Right.
That feels good, right?
I need more than that.
You need more? All right, we're gonna move it over. We're gonna give you some more. We're gonna give you what's behind the 14. There's another $2,000. So right now, you're at $17,000. You keep talking about needing more. We got the second chance coming up, so you still have a chance. You're gonna get it? All right, 17,000 is fantastic. Just sit over there and think about that for a while.
Congratulations.
All right, Bubby, come on up here. Bubby, how you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
All right.
Good.
I'm gonna be honest with you. People watching are like, oh, Bubby, this will be cute, and then, oh, that's Bubby. That's a big Bubby. You know what? Can you hold this for me for a second? Just hold on that for me. You tell us you've been accused and got busted for a bank robbery.
I was actually indicted for it, yeah.
Indicted for a bank robbery,
Something
yes.
I had nothing to do with, yes.
Just, yeah, hold that behind your back. What did you say?
Yeah, exactly. For something I had zero to do with.
Oh, you had nothing to do with it?
Nothing to do with it.
You
Your
promise?
Your wallet's safe.
Okay, give me my wallet back. Now I don't trust Elisa.
I'm gonna keep it.
My wallet back, please. But I am assuming that your winnings you will want in cash and not a check, so you don't have to go back to the bank to...
Good call.
All right.
Good call.
Let's see if we
I have not been back to that bank since.
Yeah. What do you mean since? You weren't there in the first place,
Well,
were you?
good point,
Okay,
good point.
all right.
He's innocent.
He is innocent.
He's innocent.
Not guilty.
Let's just quit the show for now and let's just interview him for the... I gotta find out what happened.
Let's just play.
Bubby, let's pick your numbers. 4, 8, 16. He's locked them in. All right, Bubby. Man,
double here.
what's behind the 4?
Good double.
3,400. He wants a double.
Is that what's
Bonus
behind
will work.
8?
I'm not
Yeah.
picky. I'm not picky.
$2,100.
Bonus or a double? He's what he's calling
Yeah, I'm
for.
not picky.
What's behind the 16?
Not
A double! Double! Turn right back around. Spotlight, we light it up. Or you pick a letter, we'll light up with the one you
Get some
pick.
advice from his family and friends up there.
The I will turn right back around here. What are we doubling behind the I? 2,400, that's $4,800. Look what just happened. We've got a tie for second place. Head on over to the leader zone. Congratulations. Let's keep it rolling. Ed, come on up. Oh, Ed's already standing up.
Ready.
Hey, Ed, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
I like the signs up here.
Your wife needs money. All right, so Bubby, we just talked about, has not robbed a bank, but was accused of it. And so some of the exciting information you gave us was that you like to collect Z's on your lazy boy.
I do.
Yes.
I need a new one.
And you need a new one. And I'm still not even sure I trust Ed. You hold on that for a minute. He's playing it cool. That's how he gets the wallet. Give me my wallet back. I'm
Keep
just
giving
going
it
for
to me.
I
I
know.
think you
There's
want me to
nothing
have
in
it.
it. There's
I
nothing
think you
in it,
want
I
me-
swear. You need a new lazy boy? Why are you looking at my wallet like that?
Show me the money.
There is none in it, I promise. You guys are getting all the money. Ed,
Yes.
we need lazy boy money.
Yes, we do.
All right, let's pick them.
All right.
6. 11.
Get some advice from his
You
wife.
can't say him.
Can't see her up there.
And 14. 6, 11, and 14. All right, Ed, what's behind the 6?
Big money. Come on.
3,300. It's a good start.
More.
And what's
more.
behind 11?
I want a double.
Although he did say he wanted a double right before that.
Yeah.
You want us to take that bonus away?
No,
okay. Okay.
14
Give the double
Ohio
next
Lottery
time.
games
Okay.
left. Pick a game. Where do you think is hiding the most money?
Try diamonds gold.
Diamonds and
Diamonds,
gold.
gold.
We're gonna light that up for you and see how much you've won behind diamonds and gold. One, 2, 4, 6.
Go.
Another $10,000.
You watch others win $10,000. Now here you are winning $10,000 on the bonus board. We're gonna move that $10,000 over to the big board, and there's more money behind 11. What's there? $2,800.
What kind of accessories can you get on a lazy boy with $10,000?
Air cooler.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Vibrating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's behind the 14? What else do we have for Ed?
Something big. Double.
2,700. All right, you're at 8,800 with the bonus bucks. It's $18,800.
Take it.
We are just moments away from the check and chance. We'll see you there. Thank you. All right.
Good money. Congratulations.
It's been a good game.
So far we have 3 people in our leader zone, but Willie, he's playing next. We'll see if he can make it into our leader zone and knock 2 people out.
Right.
We'll find out coming up.
Hello, Hello, I'm Ohio Governor Mike DeWine. For the latest information on coronavirus, please go to coronavirus.ohio.gov. Or if you have questions, call 1-833-4-ASK-ODH.
Welcome back to Cash Explosion. We got one player left, but we have 3 people in the leader zone. We'll settle it all right now. Willie, come on up. So Willie, you look over at the leader zone. We got 3 people over there.
I see.
Meaning if you can get into the leader zone, you knock 2 people out of the leader zone.
Oh, we got to do
You
that.
think you have that power?
Oh, yes.
Let's find out. You gotta pick your 3 numbers. Looking for more than 10,300. 1, 17, and 20. 1, 17, and 20. Willie, what do you start off with?
1.
$2,800.
And what's behind 17? $2,100.
All right, Willie, we need a double behind 20. What's behind the 20? $3,400. All right, Willie, that's $8,300. Don't get too comfortable over here because we got the second chance coming up.
Okay.
All right, congratulations. Enjoy that money. All right, so we have a tie. We need to get to it.
Before the game, each contestant picks a card number 1 through 50. The highest number wins. Let's find out who it is. Bubby! Bubby, you are going to the cash challenge. And Barb, we will see you in the second chance game. Congratulations. And that concludes our game. Congratulations to our top 2 winners, Barbara and Bubby. We are doubling those totals. Barbara, your total goes to $29,400, and Bubby, your total goes to $20,600. These 2 will meet defending champion James, as well as the winner of our second chance game in the cash challenge to play for $50,000. That's coming up. Don't go away. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Tonight's winning numbers and the winners of a spot on the May 16th Cash Explosion Show are coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery Studios in Cleveland. Good luck. Players, the winner of this game gets an additional $5 grand plus the final spot in the cash challenge. Your second chance starts now. Good luck. Jim, come on up. D in second. Thank you, sir. Ann, come on up. The A in chance. Barb. The C in second. Henry. The E in second. Ed. First C in chance. Last but not least, Willie, come on up here. S in second. Who's getting a second chance? And your game continues. You'll be competing for $50,000 in the cash challenge.
tonight's champion. And I heard Barbara tell Bubby, I hope it's me. So I feel like that's what you guys are all feeling right now. But James, as defending champion, you're going for another $100,000.
Yep.
You get to pick first. Where do you think your name's hitting?
5.
5. Who starts off on our board behind 5? Bubby. winner of our tiebreaker. Barbara, pick a number.
2.
2. Who is behind 2? Bubby again. Bubby, if you find your name, that's $50,000. Where's the hit?
I'm gonna give it a try. Number 10.
Number 10. Do we have a winner behind 10? Bubby Green of Arlington, you win $50,000 and you're coming back next week to play for more. Congratulations.
Thanks for watching Cash Explosion tonight.
We'll be back with more winning next week, same time, same place. Good night.